Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm going to be using this 8x10 canvas and I'm going to be removing the paper to the frame I'm using a box cutter, but you could use any knife that you have at home. That works perfectly. Next step, I'm going to be staining the wood frame. Before I add the wall sticker, I'm going to be adding some Mod Podge all over the paper canvas. Now I'm gently adding the wall sticker in the center and I'm gonna be rubbing it completely so I could be sure that there's no air bubbles. And I'm gonna be adding some more Mod Podge on top. Now I'm adding some hot glue onto the wood frame so I could place it on top of the paper canvas. Now I'm going to be removing the excess of the paper. To add some details, I'm going to be adding some wood beads on one side of the canvas. For the second DIY, I'm using the back of this sign and I'm just going to be painting it with a black spray paint. To do the stripes, I'm using some painter's tape. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it. Now I'm going to be painting it with a white spray paint. Time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I'm using this cactus that I got from the Dollar Tree and I just removed the bottom base it had, and it had a little bit of excess wood on it, so I'm gonna just cut it off with some scissors, and I'm using also a sandblock so I could smooth it out. 'Cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, not playing games. Maybe revealing they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, not playing games. Once I was done doing that, now I'm just going to be painting the cactus. My friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try I'm going to be painting the welcome pink, and the reason I'm painting it pink, I thought it would have been perfect since it is summer and it could make the sign stand out a little bit more.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Oh, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
For the bow, I'm using this pink burlap ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be putting it together with a zip tie.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you don't.
Once I was done doing the bow, I'm going to be adding some greenery I got from Walmart on the back.
I really hate being away from you.
So I could be able to hang it. I'm going to be adding some rope on the back.
It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by adding the large wood beads from Dollar Tree onto some twine, and I added 20 in total, and I'm just going to be spray painting them with some white spray paint.
It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
To paint the glass container, I'm using a black spray paint.
Crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
Once the spray paint was done drying, I'm going to be adding the wood beads on the top.
We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, it would mean so much to me if you hit the subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I would love to know. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.
Being away from someone you just wanna hold on to. It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just